everyone, and I am I Love Naturally, aka Michelle, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing my June Boxy Charm. So, if you're interested, keep on watching. This is the card. It says Boxy Charm, Dared to Dazzle. And this is what it looks like. And so I have 5 items in my Boxy Charm this month. And let's start with the Artist Couture Caliente palette. And this is what it looks like. It's a pretty packaging. And I'll show you the colors. It has a cute little mirror. This is a mirror. These are the colors. Pretty. So guys, if you hear some noise, it's my air conditioner running. It's hot up in this piece and I'm not trying to be sweating all over the place. So sorry. So I'm going, it says Artist Couture. I'm gonna swatch these colors for you. They don't have names on them, this one. Usually they have names, but this one doesn't have any name on it. So I'm gonna swatch them and show you guys what I'm working with. Ooh, these are pretty colors. So these are all the colors. That's pretty. So this, I'll point them out to you. This one, the orange, this is it right here. And like a fuchsia, this one, that pink, the pink one, it's right here. It's very potent. And this one right here, this is what it looks like right here. And which other one? This one, this is it right here. And the shimmer, like the orange one, like a burnt orange, kind of like right here. And the next one, this one, it's right here. I like these colors. These are my kind of colors. And the price for this is $30. And the next one is, it's Nars Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. And so this is the packaging. That's what it looks like. And this is a pencil. That's what it looks like. It says Nars on it. And the color looks like this. So I put it right here for you guys to see. It's very smooth. It's right on my hand right here. I don't know if you can see it. It's right there. This is a pretty color. I like this color. I like burnt orange. Burnt orange looks really good on me. and the price for this is $27. And the next one is True Luscious Flowerdose Lips and Eye Serum. And let's see. This, let's see, show you the packaging first. So this is True Luscious Flowerdose Lip and Eye Serum. This is the packaging. This is what it looks like. And this is what it looks like. You know, when you go to the doctor and they give you a syringe, it looks like a syringe. It's cute. This is what it looks like. And so this is how it looks at the edge. So you push it, see, like that, and you would push it. And look, did you see it come out? It came out. You push it, and this is what it looks like. So it's very liquidy, very smooth. And it says it plumps your lip and your eyes. Want my eyes? I don't know. I could use some on my tablet. And the price for this is $34. I usually get pretty expensive stuff in my box, but some of them, if I have to go out and buy it, no ma'am. No ma'am. I'm not doing that. So anywho, let's continue. The next one is Luna Magic Beauty Va-va-voom Pink Lash Primer. And this is what it looks like, the packaging. Cute. And this is it. This should be interesting. It's actually pink. I know you guys can, the camera doesn't do it justice, but it's a pretty pink. Well, let me see if I can show you guys if it comes on my hand. If it's pink, you can see that right here. It's pink. It's literally pink. And the price for this is $25. Okay. And the last but not least is the Brown Bar by Reema. It's a brown light camera action dual brow highlighter. The last but not least is the Brown Bar by Reema brown light camera action duo, and this is a brow highlighter. And this is the packaging. It's pretty. Gold is one of my favorite colors. It's comes two parts. So it has this part, which is like, I don't know what I'm going to do with this, right? I'm blackity black. Okay, so this color won't do anything for me. But this one, I could use this one here. This one right here. I could do that one. I could go for that. Okay, Boxy Charm, what are you thinking? I did do my thing online to say that I'm, you know, you get it? Yeah. So please get me some colors that I could wear. Anywho, and the price for this is $16. Really? Like I said, if I was out in the stores and I see that, I'll be like, hell no. I wouldn't be buying that. What are you, crazy? Nah. So guys, let me know what you think. If you like this month's box, if you get Boxy Charm, if this is your thing, if it's not your thing, let me know. I think that's it for my Boxy Charm, guys. This was a short video. You know, I don't want to keep it too long for you guys. So that's it for now, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.